Okay, well, in this episode I'm going to show you how to use this multimeter, this digital multimeter, to measure uh, measure voltages. This is direct current voltage. This is the space where you measure direct current voltage. This basically you measure car batteries or dry cell, any batteries. I used to measure in this section here, from here to here. You can see the mark here. This is to measure direct current. You see the V sign and the dot here plus the dash is for the current, direct current, to measure direct current. Then we will move to measure the voltage. You see here, it's AC, to measure AC, or in other words you would say alternative current. So these are the probes. This is the black probe and this is the red probe. Okay, you can call it test LEDs. These are test LED. These are test LEDs. Now currently we haven't switched it on. Okay, always this black probe or LED must always put it to where it's commonly here, where it says common. So we normally put it here, but this one it says common. In here. Okay, the black one we put it in common, and it always goes to the common. And this red one is to measure, you see the V, voltage and resistance, measure amps. So always it is in the right place. So you could put it because we want to measure the direct current or the voltage. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to measure the voltage for a battery. So we're going to start measure it now. I'm going to show you how to measure this voltage. Okay, here I'll show you. Okay, this is the battery that I'll be using today as a demonstration to show you how to measure this voltage. I'm sorry about it. I'm taking the video from the phone just to explain to those ones that doesn't know how to use multimeter. This multimeter can be used by anyone without electrical knowledge, as long as you understand what we are trying to tell you. Okay, now I'm going to switch it to the DC, which is the section is this one. So this battery is a 1.5. So 1.5. You can see the 1.5 is here. The reading is here. Yeah, the 1.5. So we're going to set our meter from which direct current to 20, because this one is 1.5. There is no any other lesser number, only 20. So now we set it to 20. So now we're going to try and measure this battery. So now you're going to see that how many voltage will it reach. Okay. Always negative. Black is the negative probe to the negative, and the red is always to the positive. Then you will get the right reading for the direct current. Okay, let us see what's the current. Where's the current here? You see? One point 1.72. That means the battery is okay. The battery is still new, hasn't been used. 1.71. So this 1.5 battery is still full and still unused. Thank you for everyone for watching. In my next episode I will be showing you how to measure the active current, to measure the voltage of the active current or alternative current. It's down here. So wait for my next episode. Thank you all for watching.